So for this last lesson, we're going to go ahead and find the area of triangles. Now the big key factor you need to understand is we're not dealing with right triangles, so we don't automatically have the height given to us, and we also don't get the height provided to us. Because remember, if you find the area of a triangle, you have to have the base times the height. But once again, our triangles aren't necessarily going to have that. So there's going to be two scenarios. There's going to be the side, side, side scenario right here, where this is the formula that you can use to find the area of a triangle if you're just given the three sides and it's a non-right triangle. This formula, there is a proof for it, and I just went ahead and provided another video if you want to see the proof, because it does take a little bit longer to prove it. The side angle side formula does not take very long to prove, so I'm going to go ahead and prove that in this video. But if you want to see the proof for the other one, it's pretty exciting. So for the side angle side, so I'm going to go ahead and prove this one, because why not? So for this formula, since I am using alpha, and just so we remember what I'm trying to prove, I'm going to write it up here. So we're trying to prove that the area of this triangle is a half times b times c times sine of alpha. So I'm going to go ahead and do this right here. Usually we use the height. So the height is the opposite side from alpha. So I'm going to go ahead and do sine of alpha is equal to our opposite, our h, over our hypotenuse, which is b. And then that will tell us that the height, if I solve, is b times sine of alpha. Now remember, this formula up here is our key. You've used this formula for like ever. I don't remember when you guys learned this one. So I'm going to go ahead and just substitute. So the area is going to be a half times our base, which my base is, because remember this represents base, not necessarily b. So this is the base right here, is c. So I'm going to do a half times c times our height, which is b times sine of alpha. And if you just rearrange that, you get a half times b times c times sine of alpha. So just a reminder, that is the base. Sweet. Now you could do that for all of these formulas for side angle side. And that would be how you would figure out those formulas.